How to download Twitter on Android. Now in order to download Twitter on Android phone, just simply open your Play Store application, and after opening your Play Store application, you will get to see this homepage. Now from this page, you just simply need to tap into this search button from the bottom right corner. Tap to search button and then open the search bar. After opening the search bar, you just simply need to type X in there, since Twitter is now called X after Elon Musk acquired all rights of Twitter. So after searching X in your Play Store, you will see this X application with the X on the logo will appear from the X Corp. Just simply open that and then tap to install button, and this is how you install Twitter in 2026. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.